Hi guys. So recently we've been getting a lot of interest from golf course operators about our mobile app, and in particular the latest version of our source code, which really makes our product quite exciting. So I just thought I'd take a quick moment to screen grab or take a quick screenshot video for you guys to have a look at, and just a little walkthrough of a couple of the features. So let's get opening one of our apps that we can use as an example here. Okay, so here we go. So this is now the app fully loaded. It looks great in design. We've got some lovely scrolling sort of interactive features here that allow us to, just some shortcuts that allow us to make bookings and visit the events and find membership information and on-course food ordering. All these are shortcuts that people are going to be using regularly within the app. At the bottom here we can see our scrolling news channel. These are just headlines that we can create really easily, and they're interactive too, so you can click on any of those. Curry Night is back, always one of my favourites. So here it takes us into our events channel, straight away loads up this particular event. And from here I can find all the information that I need regarding this event here, when it is and when it takes place, so on and so forth. So that's just one example there of how this at the bottom here, this scrolling sort of newsfeed works well for us throughout the app. If we're up on the top right hand side here as I go into the app, and this is where we can sign in. Enables us to interact with the mobile app. We can use our social media profiles to do that. In this instance though, I've just created one very easily for myself, which is just allows me to interact with the app at later stages, and yeah, there's a nice strong feature there. So moving on into our main menu, we've got tons to go through here. Just quickly scroll down, you can just see how many features this particular course are using and how they're engaging with their community. Push notifications, at the heart of every good mobile application is push notifications. We like to think ours is one of the best, and it works so very easily. Courses can create channels, and these are the channels at this particular course, and you can see what I've then signed up to myself. So the course now knows that I've qualified myself by saying to them that I'm interested in green fee offers and interested in golf lessons and course conditions, of course, and so on and so forth. And of course I can then save that. A typical push notification the course uses here, so we can open that up and expand that now. Okay, so Links Golf Club equipment is now available for hire, so it's a great way for them to advertise anything that they've got going on there. So really nice push notifications, looks superb really throughout the whole app. So there we go. I touched on the events. A big part of every golf course is just ensuring that we have maximum participation in all our events. There's no easier way than really making it easy to see what's going on. And by listing them in a way that really nobody is going to miss. So as we saw earlier today, it's Curry Night from 3 p.m. So, great way of just updating users. Of course, push notifications can be used alongside this information to make sure we reach all of our customers and to ensure they as many people know about it as they possibly can. One of the other big things while we're on the food subject that I'd like us to talk about is our food ordering. We're anticipating with this course that we're going to get a huge increase in our food on the course food orders, just because of the introduction of a new feature. And let's just take a quick look at how well this really works, because it is really fantastic. And if you're a golf course operator, immediately you can connect with how well this is going to work for you. So straight in, let's order now. The course has got a sign on the 7th hole, which is about 20 minutes from the clubhouse, that informs people that they can now use their app. So we're going to set this order up as a takeout order. We're going to set today's date, and we're going to set it as soon as possible, which is our sort of half an hour lead time, which gives the clubhouse time to prepare the food and for us to finish holes at 8 and 9, when we can return and collect our items. So let's actually go in. Let's just see how this can be done. So first things first, it looks great. We can have an unlimited amount of categories here that enable us to really maximise people's spend and increase and satisfy their need to, or their hunger, should we say, for refreshments on the golf course. So let's just go in and straight away, let's just have a look at the create your own sandwiches, because this feature works really well. So here we can see we've got the standard sandwich, £2.95. We can select our quantities that we're looking for. It's a traditional sandwich. So included with this sandwich, we get one filling included. So let's just start off by making ourselves a bacon sandwich, and there's no additional cost for that. So here we are, £2.95. This is where it works really well. We can customize then our order. So every good bacon sandwich needs an egg to go with it. Okay. This lists the upsell price, so we can see that it's going to be an extra 50p for that, but that's fine. If we're really feeling hungry, we can increase that to 2 eggs. And again, that's all the changes are being made and the additions are being done so that when we come to the checkout, that's correct. What else are we going to put with that? I think that's just fine. I think we get the idea that what we can do here and how that can be done. And let's just simply add that to our order. So we get a quick pop-up here that just explains and gives us an overview of what we've ordered. And let's just put that straight in there. So at this stage here, we're ready to place our order. Then we are ready to sort of order some more. So let's go back in and see what we've got. We can go to our snack menu. We've got all our chocolates and everything like that ready to go. I'm not going to go with any of that. Bottled beers, soft drinks. So the traditional soft drinks, all the things that guys need when they're out on the course. So we can go for a bottle of water. We're going to go for 2 of those. So we're going to add those into our order, into the cart, and we're going to order some more because we're going to need some more golf balls as well, because we've realised that the 3 balls that we come out with start with we've lost. So let's just see what we've got. So really quickly, I'm going to add another 3 Strixon balls into the order. So yeah, okay, again the overview is there, and now I've added that in, and now we're simply ready to place that order. Here we get a complete overview of our order. Okay, our payment choice is cash on collection. We're just really going to quickly just fill out, let's give us some details on what's happening here. Oh, I've not done that properly. Last name, yeah. Phone numbers. Okay, email us the receipt. Okay, let's put my email address in there. Okay, everything looks pretty good there. Okay, so there we go. That's been sent. 4:25. My clock's a bit strange. Okay, fantastic. So straight away, I just got a notification, and here it is. So this, I've set it up for this example to show you just how quickly that works, and that this email is sent to me. So here we can see that you know what we've got ordered, the details of what we've got, the quantities. You know, 3 golf balls. There's no special notes here. It's paid cash, it's ordered for takeout, and the address that it's ordered at. So that's really quite cool there. So what also is cool is how it keeps our past orders. So for a regular golfer, and we like our regular orders, we can really easily keep a track of those. So that's a quick overview of how well our food ordering facility is within our mobile apps, and we think this is just an absolute winner for every golf course. And of course, it just really does protect your investment in a mobile app, and ensures that you know, your return on investment is going to come quicker and sooner, and just, you know, really gives the app some more added value for your customers as well as they use it. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at our product today. Feel free to download this. This can be found at either the Apple App Store or on Google Play, and just search for Coventry Manor Park Golf Course and you will find it and download it and have a look for yourselves. Thanks for watching today. if you need any questions answered, just feel free to give us a shout. Thanks, guys.